Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to screen record on your MacBook using QuickTime. If you're looking to do a tutorial or record a gameplay, this is the perfect way to do it. You don't have to download a third-party software. All you have to do is open QuickTime and record the video. And QuickTime comes pre-installed on your MacBook. So once you're on the home screen of your Mac, click on Launchpad. In here, search for QuickTime and open the application. So you can see here the QuickTime player is open, and click on File and click on New Screen Recording. A window will pop up like this where you can customize the recording. You can select a portion of the screen, or you can even select the entire screen. If you go into the option, you can select where you want to save the file. You also have the option to select the countdown timer to start recording, and also you have the option here to select the microphone if you want to record the audio. So once you have made your selections, all you have to do is just click record to start recording the screen. So now the screen is being recorded. If you want to stop the recording, you can just click on this stop button in the menu bar, or you can press Command Control plus Escape. So once you click the stop button, the video file will be saved on the desktop. So guys, that's how you do a screen recording on your MacBook. So there's also a shortcut for screen recording on your Mac without having to go to QuickTime, and I'll show you how to do that. On your keyboard, just press Command, Shift and number 5. It is the QuickTime shortcut for screen recording, and that will take you to the tab that will give you the option to screen record. Once you have made your selections, you can start recording the screen. So that's it guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, please drop a comment below and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you in the next video.